Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews. This week we're going to be unboxing some lenses for our smartphone. Have you ever thought about taking better pictures, or maybe you're just starting out in vlogging and you need a better camera, or you're trying to take pictures of products and you want to try and get a better picture and you don't really want to spend the money on a camera yet? That's kind of where I'm at. There is some really good lenses for cameras. There's Monument and stuff like that. They make some really good lenses, but they're also really expensive. I think the cheapest one was $90, up to $120 or so per lens, and then you only get one lens. They are really good, but if I'm buying multiple lenses, I might as well spend my money on an entry-level DSLR camera. So I took a look around. On Amazon I found some cheap lenses, and that's what we're going to go ahead and review today, so stick around. Alright, welcome back guys. I've got my energy and I've got this week's review. We're reviewing some lens cameras for the phones. They work on pretty much most new phones nowadays. I haven't tried them out yet, but we're going to unbox this and see what they can do. If they work, great. They were only about $25 on Amazon, so I can't beat that to get by until I get my DSLR camera. So let's start. Doesn't look like there's much in the box. It wasn't sealed very good, but it's got an instruction manual. And we'll go ahead. The case is pretty sturdy. It's pretty nice, and it's tiny. I can throw that in a bag or anything that I'm taking. All right, so looks like we got a lens cloth here to clean the lens. We've got a carabiner. Yeah, it looks like we got a place to stick the carabiner here. We can actually stick it on a bag if you wanted to. So looks like they've got a pretty solid cushion in here that keeps everything in. You've also got a pocket here you can stick some stuff in, like the carabiner and the lens cloths there. So it looks like it's just a clip, and this already has a lens on it. It looks like all of these lenses have lens caps with them, so that's pretty good. Keeps everything protected and nice. Looks like they just screw on and screw off. Seems pretty sturdy. Doesn't look like it's going to come off. It is just a tad wobbly, so I don't know if there was some wind or if you were jostling around your camera or something, if that might affect it. Looks like this screws in here. So it actually looks like they have two lenses on here. They've got a 0.36 times super wide angle lens, and they've got a 20 time macro lens. So I think that whole thing just screws off like that, and then those come apart, they look like. So we'll set that there. See what this is. Looks like this one's the Kaleidoscope. I don't know if I will use that one or not, but we can go ahead and take a look at it. It looks like a pretty interesting lens, so it might be good for some shots or just to play around with. So we'll definitely take a look at that in some future shots here. Let's see what else we have here. Looks like a Starburst Lens. That's going to bring out lights more, like on a Christmas tree or that type of thing. Let's see what this one is. This one is a CPL mobile phone lens. I think this one is, they've got it listed to bring out more color in a shot than a camera phone will normally do. This one is a 2x telephoto lens. This looks like it has 2 on it as well. We've got a 0.63x wide angle lens as well as a 15x macro lens. And then on this one we've got the 198-degree fisheye lens. So it looks pretty good. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 lenses, just like they said. And like I said, it's a pretty nice little case. I kind of like that. So we'll go ahead and put everything back here and show you some pictures. Alright, so we had a chance to take these out and take a bunch of photos with them. I actually took my kids out to the park and let them shoot a bunch. They absolutely loved them. For my personal opinion, I'm going to have to say that they're well worth the $25. In fact, until I get my DSLR camera and upgrade some of my stuff, I probably will shoot the next few videos with this. So you guys go ahead and let me know what you think. I definitely think they're well worth the $25 that it costs for these lenses. There's a few of the lenses I will not use. I do want to point out that the 15x macro and the 20x macro have the wide angle lens attached to them, and it doesn't seem like you can remove those. So it's the 9 lenses turns into 7 kinda, because they're jointed and you can't really get those apart. All in all, like I said, I do like them though. I don't like them enough that I would recommend them for any kind of long period. They're great to, like I said, give your kids the camera and let them go have fun with it, or they can use it on their phone. Definitely great for that kind of stuff. For professional videos, they're not going to be that great. But like I said, I'm using one right now to finish this video up. So go ahead and leave the comments below, and you guys let me know what you think below. I'd like to thank you for joining my channel again. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click the bell so you get your notifications when I upload my videos on Tuesdays. And I look to see you guys in the next video.